Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this real quick. A lot of people have been asking questions. This is the machine, the 3D printer that I got, and it's the Creality CRSE. It's awesome for beginners, and there's a sale going on right now. I like this so much, I actually purchased another machine, and they run about $3.99. There's a sale going on, a flash sale. I'll put a link down in the description if it's still going on, but it's like only $3.39, so like 60 bucks cheaper. I already ordered mine yesterday, so I kind of missed out on that, but maybe you guys, if you've been thinking about it, let me just explain real quick why I like this as a beginner. Now, there's a lot of pros out there. This is my first machine, and if you don't know anything about 3D printing, there's a whole lot of stuff that you have to worry about with your filament, and the speed and the heat at which it's melting the filament. The bed, this one's a moving bed. Some of the other ones are a fixed bed, and this moves as well as your whole top here moves. There's all different kinds of setups. I like this one because I got it, I had it set up within an hour and I was printing stuff already. This has an auto leveling bed. Now, if you don't know anything about 3D printing, the program has to know where that little nozzle, it comes out at 0.3 millimeters. So it needs to know right where every point on that bed is, because it's got to stick to it. You see, it's kind of stuck to it. When we're done, it pops off. Now, if it doesn't stick, it just moves all around and it gets messed up. So it's got to be really accurate. And most of the machines, all the older ones, you had to learn how to level the bed by, one way I heard was sticking a piece of paper in there and making adjustments. This one, you put it in, it's self-calibrating. You push a couple of buttons on here, and it goes through a little 16 or 20 point little calibration, and it's all set for you. So if you're a beginner, that makes it really, really easy, and that's why I like that. And I got this again. One thing, when the box came and I had to put it together, this whole part down here is all together. This comes together as one assembly without the light or that little bracket on there. And this light just took a couple of screws. You set all this on there and you plug in all the cables. It was really simple to put together. So when my next one comes, I'll probably have it set up in about 20 minutes. Now, there's all kinds of other stuff you can add on here. There's a little light. I usually don't have that running. I don't need it. And you can also get a Wi-Fi camera to hook up. You can run this wireless from inside my house. I have this out in the garage. I can actually control it from that inside, but that was a little glitchy for me. I don't know if it's my old computer or what, but I turned it off because I just put whatever program I want on a little flash drive, come and stick it in here, and it's really easy to use. So go check it out if you like. If you guys were thinking about it, that's an excellent price. This is a high-speed one. It prints a little bit quicker. And if you don't want to do all that fancy stuff, if you're just a beginner, this one's a pretty good model.